कहा जाता है सूट का फैब्रिक आता है इटली से, बटन्स इंग्लैंड से और धागे आते हैं फ्रांस से.
You learn to mix and match.
Punctuality freak Big B has a fetish for watches. Omega's worth 16 lakhs to Cartier's costing around 35 lakhs. Now that's big money to be on time, every time.
I have a slightly frivolous nature.
And moving on to Bahu Ash, जो है एक true blue style diva.
Anything that she wears, however good or bad it might be, always looks great on her because she always looks great.
I think beyond her style, beyond her sense of dressing is just the fact that she is so stunning.
Cannes के red carpets के लिए है gorgeous gowns from Cavalli's 12 लाख रुपए और Armani's 20 लाख रुपए. वैसे fashionista Ash also loves her bags. Her favorites? Louis Vuitton Mirage Gret, costing over 1,30,000 rupees, and Bottega Veneta Patent Tote, दाम 1,15,000 रुपए. But the B Bahu gets way more than she spends. Case in point, Gitanjali Lifestyle ने Ash के लिए बनाया 1 करोड़ वर्थ सोने से बना 7,900 डायमंड से स्टडेड एक्सक्लूसिव बिजनेस कार्ड. Whoa!
Secret illusion.
But Hubby Hubby is not far behind, because haute couture specialist Donatella Versace once said that amongst all of Bollywood, she'd love to dress who? The Junior B.
Not bad, huh?
He knows a lot about fabric, he knows about what looks good.
He can wear a classic suit and make it look brilliant. I think what is great about Abhishek is that he's made classic into cool, and I think he is entirely responsible for that. For the longest time, it was like Amitabh Bachchan के घर से left लेना, Amitabh Bachchan के घर से right लेना, Amitabh Bachchan के घर से सीधे जाओ. I think it became like an iconic structure where people found their way.
Bachchan Seniors के नाम है properties worth over 600 crores, including Jalsa और प्रतीक्षा, उनके 2 मशहूर बंगले मुंबई के स्टार स्टाडेड जुहू में, together worth कुछ 200 crores. और फिर है जनक, एक 60 crore worth 3-story building, जिसमें है बच्चन साहब का AD कॉप ऑफिस और एक fully loaded gymnasium. Plus luxurious Ambi Valley में है बच्चन का chalet, costing another 10 crores.
We can't talk about that.
वैसे प्रॉपर्टी के मामले में अभी Ash seem to be catching up. Recently उन्होंने दुबई के Sanctuary Falls में एक 130 crores worth holiday villa खरीदा, which is equipped with a special Scavolini designer kitchen, costing over 40 lakhs, and a 28 lakh worth Bang & Olufsen home theater system. Now that's one expensive holiday home. बच्चन्स की गाड़ियों की बात करें तो बनती है एक भारी इंप्रेसिव लिस्ट. Here goes. एक 3.5 करोड़ की रोल्स रॉयस फैंटम, a gift from विदु विनोद चोपड़ा. एक बेंटली कॉन्टिनेंटल जीटी कुछ 1.65 करोड़ की, जो अमिताभ और बड़ी अमर सिंह ने अभिषेक को गिफ्ट की. प्लस एक 65 lakhs वर्थ मर्सिडीज SL 500, एक पोर्श कायन S कुछ 32 lakhs की, और एक रेंज रोवर कॉस्टिंग ओवर 48 lakhs. Hold on, there's more. एक BMW X5 worth 60 lakhs, 1.25 crores की BMW 7 Series और अमिताभ की फेवरेट the Lexus LX 470 Classy और Bulletproof worth over 1.5 crores. By the way, इस गाड़ी के स्पेशल F1 radial tires cost 2.5 lakhs each. Need we really say more?